Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add your Instagram into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your Instagram into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that by adding your Instagram into your Weebly website, sometimes the website users can go and follow you in Instagram as well. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into one of my Weebly websites, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to add your Instagram into your Weebly website, first you're going to go ahead and choose the page you want to add it into. So up here on the top left, I'm going to go ahead and add it into the contact us. Okay, so there's actually two different ways you can add Instagram. You can add the Instagram feed directly into the page, and you can also add the link into the footer. By adding it to the footer, it's going to go across all of your website pages, but it's just going to be a little tiny Instagram link that they can click on and then be directed into your Instagram. So I'm going to show you both ways. So to add it into your footer, here at the bottom, we're going to scroll down and click into the footer. Once you click into the footer, you're going to scroll down and then look for this button, social icons. Make sure that it's blue. If it's not, if it's white and gray like this, you need to turn it on. Once you do that, you're going to click on this right here, links to, and then edit. Okay, once you do that, you're going to scroll down to Instagram and then check Instagram. And here you're going to go ahead and add in your handle. Okay, once you've added in your handle, click on done. And now you can see there's an Instagram icon right here. And when someone clicks on it, they're going to be routed directly into my Instagram. And the second way you can do this is scroll up and then go ahead and close this out for the done on the footer. Okay, so here we are on the page itself. And here on the left side, once you've clicked into the page, you're going to click on add section. Once you click add section, you're going to scroll down to Instagram feed. Here you're going to choose the layout, either 8 recent posts or just the last 4. I'm going to choose 4. Once you've chosen, you're going to click in here to the Instagram feed. Okay. And then once you do that, here at the account, I've already added mine, but all you're going to do is just manage link. And okay, then Instagram's going to open up the browser in a new tab, and you want to sign into your Instagram. And next, Instagram's going to warn you that you're about to share this information with Square, which is the owner of Weebly. Go ahead and click on allow. Okay. Quick second later, the page refreshes. So now we've added our Instagram feed right here. And then we've also added our Instagram link down here at the bottom with the icon. So you can use one of two or both of them. That's really up to you. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add and connect your Instagram to your Weebly website, those are the easiest ways I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.